Hello everyone, this is the Upper Skagit Library with Maker Monday. Each Monday we bring you a new kit that you can pick up at the library and take home to make. You can reserve your kit by calling 360-853-7939. Let's see what's in this week's kit. This week we have Dragon Paperbag Puppets. Inside your kit you will find your template, brought to you by Create in the Chaos, which is 2 pages, and a paper bag. What you need to provide is glue, double-sided tape, scissors, and crayons. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is your crayons and your template. You're going to take your crayons and you're going to color your template, both pages, however you want. Once you have your template completely colored to your liking, then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut along the black line all the way around of your dragon's head and the black line all the way around both wings and tail. After you've completely cut out all your pieces, you're going to get your paper bag and all your cut out pieces and your glue or your double-sided tape. You're going to put a little bit of tape or glue on the back of your dragon's head, and we're going to attach it to the bottom of the paper bag where the fold flips up. Just like so. That way, when you lift his mouth, it looks like he's talking. For the wings, it's a little trickier. You can either put them this way up or this way down. It's up to you. Whatever you choose, you're going to put your glue or tape right where it says glue. And now, we're going to take the side of the paper bag and we have this neat little fold. Right here on the top is where we're going to put the glue side up. So you have a neat little wing. With the tail, you have a few different choices of how you can attach it. So, you can attach it right to the center so you only see it when you flip him over. You can attach it to the center so you can see part of his tail from the front, and you may want to color that side if you do that. Or you can flip over the colored part, attach it to the center again, and when you flip him over, you see the front of his tail. However you choose, just attach it to the back of your puppet, and in the end, you are going to have your very own, very cool dragon puppet! This has been Maker Monday with the Upper Skagit Library. To reserve this kit and many others, all you need to do is email info@upperskagitlibrary.org or call 360-853-7939. See you next time!